If you're juggling 10 AI tools, crying into your coffee, and your browser sounds like it's hosting NASA, then AI Titan might just be your new favorite superhero. Because this beast replaces 25+ expensive AI tools like ChatGPT, MidJourney, Canva, Jasper, and ClickFunnels, with one single dashboard that costs less than your Friday night pizza. Stick with me. By the end, you'll see how it can literally run your business while you sleep. And yes, I'll show you how to grab it at the lowest price before it jumps. Hey everyone, Kamal here from testedapps.com, your friendly neighborhood marketer who's been in the affiliate and SEO trenches for over 6 years. I test tools so you don't have to waste time or money. And when I say AI Titan surprised me, I mean I actually said, wait, this can't be real. In this video, I'll break down what AI Titan is and who it's for, how it works, what each upgrade, OTO, actually does, and of course, my honest opinion after testing it. Plus, I've got some exclusive tested apps bonuses waiting in the description, worth way more than the front-end price. So if you plan to grab AI Titan, make sure you do it through the link below before the timer runs out. So what exactly is AI Titan? Think of it as your AI command center. It replaces 25+ apps that you'd normally pay hundreds for each month, like writing tools, video creators, image generators, website builders, and even autoresponders. It's for anyone running an online business, marketers, freelancers, agency owners, or total beginners. You can write content, design graphics, generate videos, build websites, create AI avatars, and even run email campaigns, all from one dashboard. No coding, no tech meltdown, and no monthly fees. Basically, it's like hiring a full team of AI employees and paying them once. And using it? Stupidly simple. It works in just 3 steps. Step 1. Log in. It's 100% cloud-based, so no need to summon your IT guy. Step 2. Pick what you want. Write, design, code, or create videos with one click. Step 3. Profit. Sit back while AI Titan runs your business smoother than your morning espresso. That's it. Number 12-step wizard setup. No tutorials that sound like they're narrated by a robot. Just log in, create, and cash in. Here's where AI Titan flexes. It writes human-like blogs, ads, emails, and video scripts. It designs logos, thumbnails, social media posts, and covers like Canva, without needing a design degree. It creates voiceovers, avatars, and AI videos, perfect for faceless YouTube channels or marketing content. It even builds websites and funnels with drag-and-drop templates. You get 1 terabyte of free hosting, so no extra fees there either, and it comes with commercial rights, meaning you can sell all of this as a service. So whether you're building your own brand or want to start your own AI agency, AI Titan literally gives you the entire toolkit in one shot. Let's talk money, because this part blew my mind. Normally, tools like these would cost Jasper or Write Sonic, $49 per month Canva Pro, $15 per month MidJourney, $30 per month ClickFunnels, $97 per month Synthesia or HeyGen, $67 per month. That's easily over $400 every month, or nearly $6,000 per year. But AI Titan gives you everything for a one-time payment of just $16.97. No hidden upsells required to make it work, though I'll explain the optional upgrades next. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Smart ideas don't need noise. They just need clarity and courage.
We believe in empowering sustainable growth. With strategic insights and tailored solutions,
Attention food lovers, your new favorite dish is finally here. Every bite is made with 100% organic ingredients.
Indulge in a culinary journey like no other at Taste Buds.
Hey, tech lovers! Have you checked out AI Titan yet? It's your ultimate AI-powered solution to boost productivity and make life easier.
Welcome to the future of UGC video creation with just type your script to get started.
Don't miss out. Explore AI Titan.
Welcome to AI Titan Voice Cloning. Instantly creates stunning, lifelike voices with the power of AI. Experience the future of audio, your imagination, our technology.
Hello everyone, I have a big question today. What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is my big red car. Vroom, vroom.
Quick question. What if you could unlock the power of 25+ premium AI tools and run your entire content, video, image, and website business from one super dashboard? No monthly fees, no tech skills, no limits. Welcome to AI Titan, the most powerful all-in-one AI platform ever built. That gives you the superpowers of an entire team at a one-time price. Right, like ChatGPT launch full-blown AI video podcasts and baby face shows designed like Canva and MidJourney. Build sites like Wix and ClickFunnels. Create videos like Synthesia, InVideo, and Premiere Pro. Clone voices like 11 Labs replace freelancers, subscriptions, and software chaos. Yup, all of it in one platform with unlimited access to every feature. Because let's be honest, AI is no longer a nice to have. It's the fuel behind every successful brand, agency, and freelancer out there. But until now, you had two choices. Pay $500, $1,000 a month stacking 10+ tools, or sacrifice features, quality, and control. Not anymore. With AI Titan, you get it all. Use it for your brand or sell services to clients. Create unlimited videos, images, content, websites, podcasts, avatars, and more. Save $6,000+ a year instantly. No subscriptions, no upgrades, no BS. Keep 100% of the profits. This is your business. And it's stupid simple to use. Just pick what you want to create. A video, a podcast, an image, a blog, a site. Click once and let AI do the heavy lifting. Use it yourself or sell it to clients, agencies, or brands. We're talking AI-powered avatars, faceless videos, 3D art, sales pages, VSL scripts, email campaigns, scroll-stopping reels, YouTube shorts, product videos, AI voice avatars in 100+ languages, studio-quality AI podcasts and babyface show videos, drag-and-drop website builder with free hosting, 75+ AI agents and workflows for writing, editing, SEO, and marketing, cloud storage, project sharing, and client dashboards. And guess what? There's no basic plan here. This is the ultimate edition. Everything unlocked, everything unlimited. No caps, no credit limits, no feature lockouts. This is the version that saves you money, time, stress, and gives you superhero-level control over content, clients, and cash flow. Whether you want to, launch your own faceless podcast, sell reels and promo videos to influencers and brands, build websites and stores for clients, offer AI services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Facebook, run a full-blown marketing agency, or just automate your side hustle with smart tools. AI Titan puts you in charge. It's the shortcut 99% of people wish they had. And you're looking at it right now. So go ahead, click the button below. Grab full access before we flip this to a high monthly fee. Because let's be real, you'll never pay for ChatGPT, MidJourney, Canva, or InVideo again. You'll never need to hire expensive writers, editors, or designers. You'll never waste time managing 10+ platforms. You can even start your own podcast empire without mic, cam, or crew. And if you're still watching this, it means you already know this is the kind of opportunity that doesn't come twice. But I have to warn you, the price is rising fast, and once this launch ends, you'll never see this deal again. There are no monthly and absolutely no hidden costs. Pay once and enjoy lifetime access to AI Titan, the same tool replacing $6,000+ worth of AI subscriptions. And yes, you're fully protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. No risk, no catch, just the most complete, powerful, money-saving AI system online today. This is your all-in-one business weapon. This is AI Titan, but that's not all. When you grab your copy today, bye. You'll also unlock exclusive launch bonuses worth $5,997. Absolutely free. These bonuses are limited to this special launch period. So once the timer hits 0, they vanish. So what are you waiting for? Step into the future of AI-powered business and automation, where 25+ powerful AI engines unite to write, design, speak, code, and sell for you. Click the button below to get instant access to AI Titan, your all-in-one business powerhouse for a crazy low one-time price. Act now. This offer disappears soon. Good luck, and I'll see you inside.
Let's break down the funnel, quick and simple. OTO1 AI. Titan Unlimited, $57. This removes all limits. Unlimited videos, unlimited image generations, unlimited hosting, unlimited everything. If you're serious about creating content regularly, this upgrade is a no-brainer. OTO2DFY, $147. They set up everything for you. Websites, funnels, and even preloaded campaigns. Perfect if you're too busy or allergic to tech stuff. OTO3 Traffic, $37. AI-powered traffic automation. It runs viral campaigns on social media and sends targeted visitors to your offers automatically. Basically, your traffic autopilot button, OTO4, Income Maximizer, $27. This one's wild. Comes with 50,000 plus ready-to-sell ebooks, built-in sales funnels, and a resale system. If you love passive income streams, grab it. OTO5-Agency, $97 to $197. Lets you offer AI Titan as a service, manage client projects, and charge them monthly. You can add 100 unlimited clients depending on your plan. OTO6 Reseller, $67 to $97. Gives you full resale rights, sell AI Titan, and keep 100% of the profit. Basically, your instant software business in a box. OTO7 Mega Suite, $127. The ultimate bundle includes everything plus future upgrades and premium templates. You don't need every OTO, but unlimited plus traffic are where most power users get 10x results. So, I actually tested AI Titan for a full week before filming this. I created a complete affiliate landing page, a YouTube thumbnail, and a voiceover video, all in under an hour. And the best part? It looked like I hired a $1,000 team. Zero lag, no crashes, and it worked on my phone too. So yeah, I'm impressed. And remember, if you grab it through the link below, you'll also get my exclusive Tested Apps bonus bundle, including my AI Profit Starter Kit, templates, prompts, and traffic strategies I personally use to scale affiliate campaigns. Now, quick reality check. AI Titan isn't for people who expect get-rich-quick results by clicking one button and watching money rain. It's a serious business tool. But if you actually use it, you'll save thousands a year and skyrocket your productivity overnight. Imagine running your whole business, content, traffic, design, and sales from one dashboard, while everyone else is still juggling 10 subscriptions. That's the kind of freedom AI Titan brings. And since it's a limited launch, once it switches to monthly pricing, the deal's gone for good. So grab it now using the link below before the price jumps. Trust me, $16.97 today will feel like the smartest investment you made all year. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below. Tell me which AI tool you're replacing first. I'm Kamal from Tested Apps. Tom, reminding you, don't just use AI, command it. Catch you in the next one.